If you ain't on shit, it's time to go. Turn around and I'm adios. Trace my dreams till I Charlie hoes. Punk, if you wanna dance, kick the party off. I'm coming for the #1 like I was #2. I wouldn't be anywhere bad if I was you. I'm an individual, it's just something I like to do. Pressure make diamonds, I'm in the booth dropping jewels. Just a shorty hearing stories about how Papa was the dude, the goon. But was cool, wish I got to know him too. The only cracks on me, my tooth, officer truth. See the red or blue bill, I only own for the truth. Hell no, I don't trust the government, nigga, you dumb as shit. If you coming for what I come to get, better come with it. Drop kick your ass in the throat, jump from a running sprint. Whatever you want, fact, I'm not the one you want it with. Everything I do is for my children. I'm just trying to make a difference, not division. This is serious. I used to question if I was strong or not. Grew up and turned out to be the juggernaut. 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 Who would've knew I was the juggernaut? Juggernaut. 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 Thought I was weak and turned out to be the juggernaut. You think you know me? Yeah, you think you know me, but you do not know me good. I grew up in the hood, times harder than morning wood. But who am I to you? I'm just a guy. The ugliest caterpillars turn into butterflies. The shit we gotta do to survive is fuck sometimes. But I'm trying to make this empire rise like Lucius Lyons. Come round here looking for trouble, I may oblige. Otherwise, do you let me focus on doing mine. I got friends that made a fortune from stick-up Jews in the handgun. Some friends that made their fortune from chickens like Colonel Sanders. Some friends that got their financial aid and went to Stanford. I heard I could write rhymes on the paper and buy a mansion. They call it rap music, thus I got attached to it. So I get piping hot to hear niggas this whack do it. I used to question if I was strong or not. Who would've knew I turned out to be the juggernaut?